Hello kids, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Yes, okay kids. Today we are going to continue with our English session, the lesson number 1, which we took it in the last section and we left it incomplete. Today we are going to complete that. Okay? Okay, so let us start kids. So lastly, yes, our lesson number 1 is Three Little Pigs. तो लास्ट टाइम हमने जो स्टोरी पढ़ी थी थोड़ी सी इसको रिकैप्चुलेट कर लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ देयर वर थ्री लिटिल पिग्स. यू नो व्हाट आर पिग्स? यू नो व्हाट आर लिटिल? लिटिल में छोटे छोटे में इतने इतने नहीं होते हैं जितने पिग्स होते हैं वही. ओके, सो एक बार 3 पिग्स थे एंड उनका नाम था सोनो, मोनो और गोनो. Now, Sonu lived in a house of straw, Mono lived in a house of sticks, and Gonu lived in a house of brick. Okay. So one day what happened? The big bad wolf came. एक दिन एक big bad wolf आता है और वो क्या करता है? सोनू के घर पे आता है और सोनू को बोलता है I will huff and puff and blow your house down. blow मतलब yes, ओके, घर को पूरा खराब कर देना, तोड़ देना. यस, तो हमने यहाँ तक पढ़ा था कि सोनू के घर को वो बिग बैड वुल्फ ब्लो कर देता है एंड देन व्हाट हैपन? सोनू गोज टू मोनो's house. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस कंटिन्यू. Sonu ran to Mono's house. The wolf came to Mono's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed and he blew Mono's house down. अब वो क्या करता है? मोनू के घर पे आता है. मोनू को भी सेम चीज़ बोलता है कि मैं तुम्हारा भी घर हफ एंड पफ करके ब्लो कर दूंगा. तो वो वैसे ही करता है एंड मोनू के घर को भी वो गिरा देता है. नाउ सोनू एंड मोनो रैन टू गोनूज हाउस. सोनू और मोनू क्या करते हैं? दे रैन मतलब भागते हैं. कहाँ पे? गोनूज हाउस. उनका थर्ड पार्टनर कौन था? गोनू. गोनू के घर पे वो लोग भागते हैं. द वुल्फ केम टू गोनूज हाउस. अब वुल्फ क्या करता है? पहले सोनू फिर मोनू, अब कहाँ जाता है? गोनू के घर पे. अब गोनू के घर पे आके अगेन ही सेज I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and but he could not blow the brick house down. वो सोनू के घर पे जब जाता है पफ करता है, ब्लो कर देता है. मोनू के घर पे जाता है, हफ पफ करता है एंड ब्लो कर देता है. बट ही सेज हियर, वो करता भी है बट गोनू के हाउस को कुछ नहीं होता. क्यों 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 क्यों? यस, क्योंकि गोनू का जो हाउस है वो बना हुआ है ब्रिक से, ईंटों से. आपका घर किससे बना हुआ है? यस, आपका जो घर है वो भी ईंटों से बना. ऐसे कोई आप वो कर देगा तो आपका घर उड़ जाएगा क्या? नहीं ना. यस, वैसे ही गोनू का घर भी ब्रिक से ही बना हुआ है. तो जब वो बिग बैड वुल्फ ब्लो करता है तो गोनू के हाउस को कुछ नहीं होता है. इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एज यू पीपल आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. आप लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यों हो? बोनविटा, कॉम्प्लान, बूस्ट, ये हॉर्लिक्स ये सब पीते हो इसलिए आप लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. वैसे ही गोनू का हाउस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था क्योंकि वो ब्रिक से बना हुआ था. The wolf went away and Sonu, Mono and Gono lived happily together in the red brick house. अब जब सोनू गोनू के घर को वुल्फ कुछ नहीं कर सकता है तो वो वुल्फ नाराज हो जाता है एंड वो सैड सा होके वहाँ से चला जाता है. और फिर सोनू, मोनू और गोनू तीनों मिलके गोनू वाले रेड ब्रिक हाउस में रहते हैं हैप्पीली हैप्पीली हैप्पीली. Yes, very good. Okay. So here students we have finished our chapter, our lesson. We will start up with the back exercise student. So turn on to page number 8. Okay, turn on to page number 8. Here students, I will write on the board. When you are writing it in your textbook, you can pause the video and complete your bits. Okay, now first one is read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. The wolf came to Gono's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. This is the passage. अब आपको इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अटेम्प्ट करना है. 1 2 3 4 5. I'll give you the answers. Now, who came to Gono's house? Who came to Gono's house? Good. Yes. So in bit number 1, first one is the wolf came to Gono's house. Write down the WOLF, wolf. The wolf. Can you see this, students? You have to pause the video and then see and then write. Next, the wolf could not blow the dash house down. Yes, second one is BRICK, brick. Brick house down. Third one, the brick house was very strong. True or false? Yes, true. Students, you have been given a box here. So here you will write T. Next one. The wolf huffed and yes, it is B, puffed. B puffed के आगे आप लोगों को टिक करना है. B1. B1 के सर्कल में आप लोग टिक करो. Okay? Now, write the opposite of weak. Weak का opposite क्या है? Yes, it is strong. S T R O N G. Strong. So students, this is bit number 1 we have completed. You will update it in your text notebook, that is term book, page number 8. Okay. Now coming to bit number 2. Working with the text, tick the correct answers. I will write it here only. Yes. Bit number 2. Now, it is only ticking the correct answers. Okay. Now, Sonu lived in a house of Sonu कहाँ रहता है? Yes, in a house of straw. So where is straw? On number C. So tick on C circle. C वाले circle. First one. Second one. Monu lived in the house of Monu कहाँ रहता है? Yes, Monu lived in a house of sticks. So it is on A. ये पे टिक करेंगे. थर्ड वन इज गोनू लिव्ड इन अ हाउस ऑफ. गोनू किस कहाँ रहता था? इन अ हाउस ऑफ ब्रिक्स. सो इट इज बी. सो दिस इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड बिट इज क्वेश्चन आंसर. Question answer, students, I will make you write in your class workbook, English class workbook. First we'll complete this part. Okay. Now coming to page number 9. Page number 9, student. You take out page number 9, bit number 4. By the time I will rub the board. So to write, students, I am telling you again and again, you need to pause the video and then complete your textbook. Okay, as school is not there, I don't have such a big board so that I can wait for you all to write, and this is obviously a video. We cannot wait for everyone, na? So that is why I'm giving you here. Okay, now fourth bit, write the opposites of the following words. Opposites. Now what do you mean by opposite? Yes, opposite means ulta. Yes, कोई किसी भी चीज का उल्टा. Now suppose up means ऊपर. ऊपर का ऑपोजिट क्या है? नीचे. व्हाट डू यू से इन इंग्लिश? डाउन. यस, सो ऑपोजिट मीन्स उल्टा. सो लेट अस डू फोर्थ बिट. दिस इज ऑन पेज नंबर 1. Now fourth bit, first one. See students, help box is also given you. Okay. Now big का opposite क्या है? Very good. Small. Write down SMALL, small. And second one, come, COME, come. Come का opposite क्या है? GO, go. Now third one is, what is the third one? Run. Run means भागना. भागना का उल्टा क्या है? Stop. STOP, stop. अवे मीन्स बहुत दूर. दूर का ऑपोजिट क्या है? पास. इट इज NEAR, नियर. Fifth one. Bad. Bad means ganda. आप लोग हो? No. You all are what? Good. Yes. So this G-O-O-D. Good. Sixth one. Down. Down means नीचे. नीचे का opposite ऊपर. U-P up. Okay. So students, this is bit number 4. Now bit number 5, students, capital A, B, C, D. I think I have already given you an homework, and if not given also, if you have not done also, you need to complete this bit. Okay. Now coming to bit number 6. Yes. Bit number 6 is you have to do it on your own, students. Was the wolf good or bad? Wolf कैसा था? अच्छा था या बुरा था? Yes, it was bad. So write down BAD, bad. Next, what is your house made of? अब students, I cannot write answer on the board ना क्योंकि yes, students, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, तो yes, मुझे नहीं पता ना आपका घर कैसा बना हुआ है, तो मैं आपका आंसर बोर्ड पे नहीं लिख सकती हूँ. So this you every individual child will give their own answers. Next bit, students, we are left with 2 bit. By the time, students, we come back to this 9th bit. Okay, I think we should finish this. No, let it be. It's okay, student. I want you to you can do this. You can do this. Complete bit number 8 on page number 10. This is nothing but drawing, students. You have to join the dots using numbers and then color the house according to you. Make it very neatly. Do not use sketch pens. Do not use oil pastels. Use only color pencils or crayons. Okay, students. So one bit in this is left. Shall I complete it? Okay, we'll complete it, students. I will write it on the board so that you can complete it. Okay. Now see. Read this picture story and write the words for the pictures. Pictures है students, वो pictures क्या है आपको लिखना है. Okay. So first one is, this is bit number 7. First one is garden. I'm randomly writing it, students. आप लोग pictures देख के parents की help लेके लिखना. Second one is full of flowers. Third one is the sun. Turning the page. Yes. Fourth one is under a tree. Fifth one, suddenly one apple. There was a monkey. Again sitting in the tree. Next, the monkey was eating chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Next is, he was throwing the wrappers into the dustbin. Next is, dash have better manners than us, animals. Yes, student. So here the story is same. One day Kitty and Rosie went to the garden. The garden was full of flowers. The sun was hot. Thus they sat under a tree, and suddenly one apple fell upon Kitty. They looked up. There was a monkey sitting in the tree. The monkey was eating chocolate, and then he was throwing the wrappers into the dustbin. Animals have better manners than us. So here, students, we end up with the lesson number 1. Yes, to see everything and to complete next only the classwork part, I will be giving you in the next session. Okay, students, bye for now. A quick glance at the board and then I will remove it. Okay, bye bye, students, take care.